Beauty, Angela Muji.
Hi! Good afternoon, everyone.
Tayo ka muna.
Hello, Angela. Of course, today we will be hearing more about this collaboration. Okay, so simula po tayo sa gitna. Please look towards the right naman of the room. Thank you so much. Lovely. And finally, towards the left side naman here of the room. Muli, maraming salamat to our dear friends from the media for taking your time out of your busy schedule. We will have one more chance for a photo after the whole program. So, how do you feel right now? Anong nararamdaman mo?
Is this on?
Yes.
Hello. So the first time I walked into the office, ito yung bumungad sa akin. Maraming floral and butterfly elements outside, and I was so surprised. I'm more surprised that a lot of press are here and media. Thank you so much for coming here po. I really do appreciate your presence. And I also want to thank Viva for this beautiful opportunity. I've always wanted to create something that I'm more involved in with Viva Beauty, Vivi, to be exact. So I'm very grateful for this moment. Thank you so much po. Yan po.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Angela. Now, before we start our Q&A, we would like to direct everyone's attention to our screen here for a special video. Everyone, please watch this.
Paano po ito? Pwede po.
Jollibee by Vivi. Jollibee by Vivi.
Oh, di ba? Ang galing, ano? Parang si Angela na linagay sa bote, no? Everything from the colors, the marketing. Good job. Congratulations, Viva Beauty. Okay, so now, papasok na po tayo to our Q&A proper. So, please keep the questions related to our product launch here. Thank you so much. We have no limit sa ating mga katanungan. So everybody, ask away. Starting with our first batch, June Lalin, Aster Amoyo, Von Belenario, and Isa Iglesias. Simulan po natin from Abante. June Lalin.
Yeah, hi.
Hello po.
Hi.
Okay, we have a microphone here para sa ating press members. And also, Angela, we are live sa ating Facebook on Angela Muji, Viva Artist Agency, and Viva Beauty Facebook pages.
Hello everyone! Kumusta kayo dyan?
Yeah, hi. Yeah, hi, Angela.
Hello po.
Congrats, Angela. Siyempre, we're so happy for you. Sunod-sunod, we were there the first time na mag-launch ka ng Viva Beauty product, di ba? And according to the marketing people, talaga naman successful siya. We're excited with your new product, no? Itong Viva Beauty product mo na to, na at least when pag nag-restaurant kami, at least problema yan ang kadalasan niya. Kasi, di ba, yung exhaust fan ang karamihan ng mga restaurants, di ba? Hindi maganda. So, amoy na amoy, di ba? Nako-conscious ka. You also feel the same?
I feel the same po, lalo na kunyari sa mga samgyup na place, yung may grill or may hot pot, and then talagang napupunta sa'yo yung amoy ng food. With Jollibee kasi, I wanted it to be something na very useful to mask the odors and also to make us feel more confident when going outside. Yung feeling na hindi ka naiilang na lumapit sa mga tao. Kasi,
Yeah,
ay,
that's
pasensya
so
na, medyo, amoy araw or pagkain.
Nakaka-conscious kasi talaga.
Opo.
So now, wala ka na yung feeling na conscious pag galing sa mga resto.
Yes po. And also pag galing po sa arawan po.
Oo, kasi at least spray ka na ng spray, di ba? Angela, what we heard is, ang ganda rin ng pagiging endorser mo. Kasi si Boss Vic pala, sinisigurado niya yung future niyo. Kasi syempre, it's not always na sikat tayo, na nasa prime tayo, na bata, di ba? O, eto pala, may royalty kayong nakukuha. O, even with your first product, no, sa Viva Beauty, no. It's so nice, di ba? Hindi lang basta endorser na bayad ka ng simulan mo pero wala kang mapapakinabangan. Pero with Boss Vic daw, sinisigurado niya na yung future niya is secured.
Yes, I'm very grateful naman po. Very thoughtful for Viva and Boss Vic and everyone behind Viva Beauty to think of that. Kasi po, for every sale, we get a few percent from the sales. And it's true that it does secure our future kasi doon po nakadepende yung income po namin.
Yeah.
If wala na po masyadong jobs po for us.
Pero ang ganda nga rin kasi may napagkukunan kayo na extra income, di ba? So kayo mismo, masipag kayo to promote, di ba? So are you going live also, mga TikTok, mga gano'n, sa Facebook mo?
Yes, actually later tonight po at 5 or 6 p.m. magla-live stream po ako, live selling for my Vibi Jella Vicens po.
It's not your first time, right?
It's not my first time naman po. I go live every other
Yeah.
week.
Yeah,
Yes po.
okay. How was it naman, yung mga nauna?
I like live selling kasi I get to share yung knowledge ko po sa mga products and I get to help people choose what is right for them. And at the same time, I also get to sell. So it's a plus-plus for everyone. Yan po.
Kasi yung iba, nakakagulat, no? Ang laki ng nabebenta nila. Although, kasi itong mga products naman ng Viva Beauty, affordable talaga. This one is 200 something daw eh.
Yes,
yeah.
po.
Yeah. So, usually magkano kinikita sa mga live selling?
I'm not sure if I am allowed to disclose
Yeah.
certain amounts. Pero for example na lang po, if I sell a 350 pesos lipstick, I get 3% of that. Yeah.
So
Big
nice,
five.
diba? Oo nga. Pero
Which is already big.
Oo nga. Yeah, eto, siyempre itong product na to, kahit lalaki, gagamit. Eto,
Yes, po,
si
yes.
Robin ba, binigyan mo na? Pinatry mo na ba siya?
I actually don't have more stocks for other people, but I am actually going to give some to my friends and also Robin, of course.
Wow.
Pero alam niya, may bagong endorsement ka.
Yes, well, he's very excited din.
Talaga.
Opo.
It's so nice, di ba? Kasi talagang yung closeness nyo kasi, di ba? Kanina, kasi nung we were talking to one of your bosses, no? Nabanggit niya, kasi we all know naman, kasi you're very vocal about what happened to your mom, di ba? She died because of cancer. During the shoot daw, may iba kasing kulay nung dapat na gagamitin. So, they recommended daw na parang instead of bubble gum, what's it called?
Plastic balloon.
Plastic balloon. And you're so worried daw kasi sabi mo, di ba that's chemical? So nag-worry ka daw kaagad.
I don't remember that. I don't remember exactly what happened. Pero yes, I am very cautious with things that can cause cancer, specifically mga microplastics, everything that causes cancer, very ako dyan. Iwas and careful kasi it kind of runs in the blood sa mother side ko. So
Yeah.
it doesn't hurt to be cautious naman po. Yun lang, very fun story but I don't remember all of it. I'm sorry.
So mga plastic, iwas ka.
Opo, yung mga melted plastics. Kasi they can cause gases that are very harmful to our health in general.
Medyo marami nag-worry dito.
Ay!
Kasi yung plastic.
Hindi naman pa.
Pero again, congratulations. We're so happy for you. Yan.
Thank you
I'm sure yung
po.
mga fans mo mag-uunaan sa pagbili mamaya pag nag-live sell ka, di ba? Yan. Thank you.
Thank
Happy,
you.
thank you. Yan.
Thank you. Okay, maraming salamat, Sir June. Ngayon naman, please pass the mic over here to Miss Esther Amoyo from TikTok, People's Journal at Filipino Star ngayon.
Hello.
Hello po.
Congratulations ngayon pa lang. Everything is coming up roses for you. Considering na halos wala ka pang 1 year or it's barely 1 year, di ba? Na sa solo career mo. Last year, you had a successful TV series, tapos movie, and then meron kang endorsement, and here you are, first quarter of the year, may bagong endorsement ka na naman. And you just turned 24 presently. So, with this happening to you, ano ang pakiramdam? Ano ang mga future plans?
Fruits ng lahat ng pinaghirapan ko before. And like you said po, tita, I just turned 24. Sometimes I feel like I'm too late to the game. Kasi marami pong mas bata sa akin, mas talented, and mas kilala. But I keep reminding myself na kung nasan po ako ngayon, pangarap ko lang noon. And I'm so grateful for that. As for my future plans naman po, I still want to continue working with Viva. I really love Viva. Viva is my home. And I want to keep doing my best. I want to hone more of my skills kasi feeling ko po hindi pa siya on par with the professionals talaga. Like yung mga kilalang veterano po. Because yun po yung goal ko. Gusto ko po gumaling talaga. And I also want to keep making more products with Vibi, with Jelavi by Vibi. This name Jelavi is actually a combination of the phrase Angela, my name, and the phrase C'est la vie, which means that's life. And I want to keep creating things like this na ako mismo involved po. Yan po.
Gaano ka ka-involved?
I chose the scents. I chose the names of the scents. I also chose the name for the brand, the hair and body mist brand, which is Jelavi.
Pati yung color?
Yes po.
Wow, ang ganda-ganda ng color. Actually, before you came, pinag-uusapan namin na ang ganda-ganda ng packaging. Di ba? Napaka-cool. Napaka-cool ng dating, lalo na ngayong summer. Oo. Why those colors? Why the combination of the colors?
Because they're very bright and pastel. It's perfect for summer and it's also eye-catching. Para sa target po naming audience, which is yung mga preteens to teens. Pero it's for all ages and for all genders naman po. I think these are just the colors that feel more like me. Yun po.
Lastly, I know this is out of the question sa sinasabi ni Bibbs. How are you under Robin? Although kahit hindi kayo magsalita, actions speak louder than words sa inyong dalawa. Kumusta na kayong dalawa? Ano ng pangalan ng birthday gift niya sa iyo? Na napaka-special.
We're okay naman po. We've been chatting just a few minutes ago. Although he's working and I'm working, we always make sure to check up on each other. And yung name po ng baby corgi is Tofi.
Ano?
Tofi. Tofi po.
Sino ang
Ako po nagpangalan.
So, ikaw ang nagpangalan.
Opo.
Okay, pati yung birthday nung puppy.
October 8, 2025. Ay, yeah, opo.
Oo. So, almost 1 year old na nung binigay sa'yo. Ay, hindi.
4 months.
4 months pa lang,
Opo,
sorry.
4 months.
4 months pa lang. Okay, so, katabi mo siya matulog.
Yes po, sometimes katabi po ni Papa pag hindi ako nakaka-uwi agad.
I see. Wow. Anong pakiramdam? Kasi I suppose this is the very first time na naka-receive ka ng ganong gift para sa'yo. Lalo na coming from Robin.
Ako naman po kasi, hindi ko po in-expect na bibigay niya talaga. Kasi nagda-drop na siya ng hints noon. Kunyari, nag-uusap kami, tapos may makita akong cat. Ang cute ng cat. Sabi niya, mas mahilig ka ba sa cat kaysa sa dog? Tapos parang alam kong malapit na birthday ko. Sabi ko, wag mo ako riregaluhan ng aso, wag ha. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, hindi kita riregaluhan, no? Ba't mo naman iniisip yan? So the moment that he gave it to me, I was like, ang kulit! Pero at the same time, I felt so happy kasi somebody went through the trouble of going to Subic, as far as Subic, to go get the dog. Tapos bumalik sa Manila to give me the dog on my birthday. So, it's very touching. Kaya, very happy po ako dun sa gift na corgi. And I really love Tofi. Ang cute-cute niya po. Ang bilis niya lumaki.
Alagang-alaga mo.
Yes po.
Anyway, again, congratulations sa napakagandang takbo ng career mo. Keep it up.
Thank you so much.
At huwag ka sana magbabago. Thank you.
Yes po,
Okay.
yes po.
Great questions come from Miss Aster. Maraming salamat po. Now, moving on to TV5 Digital, we have Von Belinario.
Hi, Angela.
Hello.
Belated happy birthday.
Ay, salamat po.
Congratulations. Dahil yung yung bago mong product under Viva Beauty is mala summer, and summer is just around the corner. Ano mga summer plans mo at ninyo ni Robin?
Work! More work po sana for us. We want to work. We're very hungry for work. Pero if may chance na magkabakasyon, we would really want to go to the beach. Para rin naman testing namin yung powers nito. Because based on experience, ako very maarte sa katawan. So, kompleto yung body care ko. Pero pupunta ako sa LU a few years ago. Parang 3 hours kami, sobrang direct ng init sa anit ko. Pagka-amoy ko sa sarili ko, nagulat ako, bakit ganon? Hindi ko alam na posible palang mag-amoy ganon ako. Kasi, grabe talaga. Basta, it's a foul smell. So, I wish I had something like this with me. Kasi itong Gelovina hair and body mist, it's not too overpowering. Hindi siya cloying na ang sakit sa ilong. Yung parang pagkalapit mo, ang tapang. It's just enough to make you feel fresh. Hindi ka may ilang kapag dinapitan ka ng tao. And that's what we're going for. Especially dahil summer na, marami nang pumunta sa labas, marami nang magbe-beach, and magbabakasyon. So, alam ko may experience din nila yung na-experience ko sa initan talaga. And ito yung magiging best friend nila.
Yes.
Yan po.
Thank you and congratulations, Angela.
Thank you so much din po.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman, rounding up batch 1, we have from the Manila Times, Isa Iglesias.
Isa here.
Hello
Hi,
po.
Angela. Belated happy birthday.
Salamat po.
Yun, ituloy na lang natin if you were to sell the product to us and also the viewers, ano yung mga perfect na selling point ng product na i-launch mo today?
Well, first of all, is the scents. They're very mabango. Mabango siya, hindi sa pagbabuhat ng sariling bangko. Pero I picked the scents myself. I was given a bundle of scents to choose from. And these are the ones that really stuck to me. The Lush and Lollipop is more of a clean, fresh fragrance. While this Sweet and Swirl is floral. This Candy and Cloud is sweet. So those 3 scents represent me. Kasi yun yung favorite kong gamitin. Floral, fruity, fresh, and also sweet. So, kapag ginamit mo to, it's not just for your hair. It's also for your body. So, pwede mo siyang gamitin sa buong katawan mo. It's the full package. At meron din siyang skin-loving ingredients. So, when you use it, you're not just smelling good, you're also feeling good and looking good. Yan po.
And you have 3 scents, no? Meron bang in the future, will you come up with more scents? And bakit hair and body? Parang first time kong marinig na may hair and body spray. Parang mostly body lang or hair lang. Why mix?
Because saturated na kasi yung beauty market. Marami ng pabango, marami ng mist, but not a lot of people release hair and body mist. When you use a body mist for your hair becomes stiff kasi may alcohol siyang content. Pero with this hair and body mist, we have aloe vera, we have skin-loving ingredients that make it safe to use for your hair. And yung target po talaga namin dito mostly is for the hair. Kasi nga mainit po sa summer, bilad yung ulo natin. And very perfect sa mga nagko-commute. Yung nag-aangkas, nag-move it. So, syempre, meron silang helmet, di ba? We can use this for the helmet. Para hindi nagsistik yung amoy sa... Ako, personal struggles ko kasi yun. So, alam ko na this is gonna be very useful. And the size is perfect for your handbag. It's not too big, not too small. Hindi ka mabilis mauubusan. And for the body naman, of course, we all need to smell good to be presentable for people we meet every day.
And perfect din ba siya for men? Kasi yun nga, marami din yung nag-aangkas, kumakain sa labas, medyo girly yung ano.
Yeah, yun lang po. Very girly po talaga yung atake niya kasi that's my branding. Pero I have a lot of friends na guys who don't mind being girly. They're in touch with their feminine side and they're not afraid to show it. I think the outside doesn't matter that much. It's the inside that matters. So kung yung gusto nila yung amoy, I'm pretty sure that they're gonna use it. I had a gamer friend, lalaking-lalaki siya. Pero yung PC setup niya, pink. Tapos yung yung pabango niya, Ariana Grande. So I think it really doesn't matter that much if you don't mind the aesthetics of the product. As long as it delivers yung niya, performance niya ba? Yan pa.
And lastly, maybe, yung maybe parang advice to young generations na nasa age gap mo na yung importance ng body care, yung mga ganun.
I know what it's like to be teased and bullied growing up, and I like how it is to be insecure and conscious of your body. The key to feel more confident is to take care of yourself. Ignore everything that they say na lang. Para sa sarili mo na lang. You take care of yourself for yourself and not for everyone around you. So, when you want to feel good, you take a shower. That's what I do when I feel a bit sad. I just take a shower and it instantly boosts my morale. I just feel better about myself. When you take care of yourself, you feel good, you feel confident, and you wouldn't care about what other people say. Yun lang po.
Correct.
Thank you so much, Angela.
Thank you so much po.
Okay, maraming salamat, Miss Iza. And very, very well said, Angela. I'm sure everybody can see your passion coming through for the products. Okay, ngayon naman, punta tayo sa batch 2 ng press. Starting with Kate Adahar, Nurse Alma, Rose Garcia, and finally Alan Santon. So for now, from Random Republica, we have Kate Adahar.
Hi, Angela.
Hi.
Congratulations and belated happy birthday.
Thank you po.
So, na-mention kanina na this venture para ma-secure yung future, no? How do you handle your finances? Saan ka nag-i-invest? Paano mo? O ikaw ba yung nag-handle?
I actually handle my own finances, and it's been tough, honestly. I want to be transparent. I'm not used to handling big amounts of money, and at the same time, I still don't have it in me to entrust other people with the funds that I'm receiving as well. So, ang ginagawa ko po now is I have a dollar account, and dun ko nilalagay yung savings na I don't want to move. Tapos, I have a Philippine account, a peso saving account. And yun yung more flexible, yun yung mas magagamit ko. Because, believe it or not, adabi ko, it's very hard to handle it, lalo na when it's just there. Pero when it's in dollar, hindi mo makakalaw.
Meron ka na bang binili for yourself, for your birthday? Kasi alala ko dati parang kanikwento mo, sobrang tipid mo sa sarili mo.
Ito naman po yung problema ko right now. Matipid ako before, so I'm kind of splurging. I bought myself some makeup and some bags. I also, wait, ano nga ulit yun? I bought gold sa Dubai. Jewelry. First time ko bumili ng gold earrings for myself, and I felt really proud of myself. Yun lang po. I haven't invested in other things, pero I am planning to. Mas gusto ko kasi mas nag-lean on properties such as lupa. Yeah.
Last question na, if there's one scent na gusto mong maamoy palagi, ano yun? Yung talagang special sa'yo.
Kasi scent holds memories eh. You get a whiff of it and you're suddenly taken back
Yes.
dun sa lugar na yon, sa special moment na yon. Para sa akin, ang pinaka-favorite kong scent, it's not actually a scent of a good perfume. It's the scent of food that my mom makes. Very distinct siya. And it's just a very sentimental scent for me. Yan po.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Now moving on to Nurse Almo from GMA Entertainment.
Thank you so much.
Hello, good afternoon po.
Medyo impressed ako kanina dun binabanggit mo yung mga
Ingredient.
yung products at information. Very hands-on ka talaga yung ginawa ko. Ano yung, take us back na lang yung nalaman mo yung magiging collaboration dito. Ano yung first reaction mo?
My first reaction
Ano yung
was,
unang naisip mo?
ang una ko pong naisip nung like I finally have scents kasi Viva Beauty has been releasing a lot of scents for their artists as well. And I was hopefully praying for my turn. And finally, I had a chance to create my own scent as well. Ang pinaka-favorite kong compliment na naririnig sa mga tao is, ang bango mo? Yun talaga yung pinakamasarap sa feeling. Kasi parang, you feel good about yourself. So, nung sinabi po nila na we're gonna make a hair and body mist, I was excited. Sobrang, I want to be involved in this. Can I be involved in this? Kasi at first, akala ko, endorser lang ako ulit. And this time, hands-on, it was a collaboration. So, it made me feel so happy na parang magagamit ko na yung knowledge ko about beauty. Kasi